Hello friends, today we will talk about Shiba Cash cryptocurrency. Its rank is 2987. Around 11,284 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is shibacashtoken.com. This is its price $0.000261 and BTC is 41.23% high and ETH is 41.18% high. Low price is $0.0002 and high price is $0.0003 and its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain and this is coin address. After that we will come down and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 38 million Shiba Cash coin. After that we will come down and this is its description, we can read it, and its total supply is around 500 trillion Shiba Cash coin. After that we will open its website and click on shibacashtoken.com. I have already opened this website and here it has a menu bar like what is Shiba Cash, tokenomics, light paper, roadmap and how to buy Shiba Cash. We are the original Shiba Cash. Did you miss your chance on Shiba Inu? Don't miss Shiba Cash. Shiba Cash is a community-based DeFi project which was fair launched on Binance Smart Chain in May 2021. It aims to bring instant reward to holder with the deflationary token and static reflection. Purchase token, we can view price chart and Shiba Cash. If you missed your chance on Shiba Inu, then don't miss this. Get your hands on some Shiba Cash and join our growing community. Contract address and token symbol is Shiba Cash. With each transaction there is a 10% tax and two function occur, 5% distributed to the holder and 5% LP acquisition, so we will always have more and more liquidity. Fair launch with 35% of supply sent to PancakeSwap, AMM for LP and 65% of token burned. Earn RFI rewards for holding and benefits from deflation. LP token are burnt. 100% safe. Shiba Cash is fully weighted and drug safe. Contract ownership. The contract has been reannounced to 0x0000 address and after creation burnt LP token. 100% of liquidity pool token were burnt which makes them untouchable forever. Fair launch. All tokens were released into circulation as a fair launch. This means no reserve token or big developer wallets. Contract audit. Our contract has been audited by TechRate and was confirmed as 100% safe with vulnerabilities. And light paper release. We aim to always transparent with our community and continue with our efforts to make Shiba Cash the biggest community coin and out there. Check out our light paper, learn more Shiba Cash and our future vision. Chinese light paper coming soon. And this is roadmap. May 2021 fair launch and token burned. Contract ownership reannounced. Coin market cap and CoinGecko listing. TechRate security audit. June 2021 exchange listing. Influencer partnership live now and future. Q3 2021 lease cash development. Shiba Cash swag store. Future Q4 2021 charity donation NFT platform. And how to buy. We will buy this coin on PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet and using 12% slippage investment. Shiba Cash is a community owned project with no tokens reserved for the team. Therefore, it's run primarily on volunteers and donation from the community. Community investment wallet. Use of raised funds distributed by our community will go towards three things: marketing, exchange listing, product development, official donation wallet. This is address and accept BNB or BUSD. Shiba Cash. Did you miss your chance on Shiba Inu? Don't miss Shiba Cash. We can join on Telegram, Twitter and other social media. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. and we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone, and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet, and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB, and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet, and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange, and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet and click on connect and click on Trust Wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon, and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency, and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button, and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.